Hello and welcome back to the Music Theory Challenge, where we are learning something new about music theory every single day. In the previous video, we learned the names of the notes and the spaces of the staff. And if this is not making sense, please go back a few lessons and watch this entire unit so that everything makes sense. Now I'm going to draw my staff, and the staff has 5 lines. I'm going to draw my treble clef. And now we're going to learn the names of the notes that are on the lines. So I'm going to use my music teacher's technique and draw just slashes first. And make sure that your slashes, pretend that these are being cut in half by the line. So some of it on top and some of it on bottom, okay? And then fill them in. The names of the notes here that are on the lines, well, you already know this one. You already know G, so you can write a G next to it. But actually, let's back up. The one on the first line from the bottom is E, then G, then the one on the middle one is B, the next one is D, and the last one is F. When I was in 5th grade learning the names of the notes on the lines, my book gave us the phrase, every good boy does fine. But I've seen other phrases used. I can't remember them off the top of my head right now because this one was just, I learned it so long ago and it was something that I made a mantra. I just said it over and over again until it stuck. So the names of the notes on the lines, or being cut in half by the lines, are every good boy does fine. And you can always check your work by reminding yourself, the G line where the treble clef starts. Here, if you need to take a screenshot. Now let me give you a little pop quiz of the notes on the lines. Let me erase this. By the way, I am curious where you're watching from, how many countries we have represented in this challenge. So let me know where you are. So I'm going to draw a slimmer, longer staff here so that I can ask more notes. Did I draw 4 lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's just more narrow. I'm gonna redraw the line here because it got a little bit too close to the other one. Okay. Alrighty. What is the name of this note on the top line? These are just notes on the lines, by the way. And this one. This one. This one. This one you should feel more familiar with. And finally, this one. So I'm going to leave this here on the camera so you can write them down. 2 ways to approach this. 1, you can use your memorization. You can go to that top one and just say to yourself, every good boy does fine, F. And do the same thing with all of them. Every good boy, B. Or you can write the names over here on the side of the treble clef. E, G. Every good boy does fine. And then just follow the line and write the note name. So you have different strategies you can use here. Find the one that works best for you. We all have different learning styles. In our next class, we're going to review everything. Review the notes on spaces, notes on the lines, and treble clef, staff. So come back to that because every time you review, you increase the retention, meaning you increase what you remember. So I'll see you there. Remember, there's a PDF to follow along with this course. And If you're watching as I'm uploading the videos, I am adding new pages to the PDF. And if you have any questions or something that I can elaborate on the PDF or in video form, let me know. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next class for review.